I just transformed this SketchUp model into realistic architecture renderings using AI within minutes using the portal prompting method. So in this video, I'm gonna go into Google Gemini and use 3 screenshots of the SketchUp model and transform them into the same style rendering at each perspective, starting with the front entry approach. So to create these renderings within Google Gemini, you first have to take a screenshot of your 3D model, and then you also have to type in a text prompt. So using the portal method for creating prompts that I mentioned earlier, it's a simple framework that I created to help beginners craft better AI prompts for architecture visualization. Now I'm going to show you how I implement the portal framework to create my prompts so that I can transform this 3D model screenshot into a realistic rendering, starting with the program. For the program in this prompt, I've identified the Brutalist Arena as kind of the highlight of what type of building I'm looking to create. Now for the orientation, I want it to be from eye level, coming from the exterior promenade approach, looking towards the building. And the rhythm kind of describes more of a monumental brutalist building with an exterior promenade kind of viewed as a concrete mass in a cinematic photography style, with textures and materials of raw bore formed concrete, stone, curtain wall, and more details on kind of the context of the site. And then for the ambiance, it's an overcast sky with a muted gray winter palette and some faint warm interior glow. And then finally, for the structure and the tectonics, we have things like monumental large curtain wall, heavy cantilevers and deep recessed openings, and step concrete planters. That's why it's so useful to use the portal framework, because it helps you break down bits of your longer prompt into smaller bite-sized pieces. So let's see the results of our 3D model screenshot and this prompt that we just created. So now that we have our 3D model screenshot and then our portal framework prompt, this is the result that I got from the first scene of the front perspective. But I also want to show that the process isn't always seamless. There are things that don't always go to plan. And so I wanted to create the same style of rendering for this other perspective. And so I typed in a prompt to apply the style of the previous image onto the new screenshot. And as you can see, it kept the same perspective of the front facade. And so it didn't do what I wanted. So I tried another option where I had the reference image and then the new perspective of the 3D model screenshot and tried to transform those styles. Still didn't work. So I went back to using the same framework that we used before to get the first image, which is just the base 3D model screenshot and then the prompt that we created. And you can see the result was 10 times better and did basically exactly what we wanted. But we still have to transform one more perspective into a realistic rendering. And so I did the same thing, got a similar result in style and quality of the rendering, but I still felt like I needed to add some more context and liveliness to the scene. And so I added some people and then I added some building context in the background. And I was thinking about it, I looked back at the second image and it still needed some additional sprucing up as well. And so I applied a similar prompt to that. And so now we have 3 final images that I created using AI. For the purpose of this video, I just used Google Gemini, but you can use whatever text-to-image software that you find you're the most comfortable with and still apply the same portal prompting structure to that and get very good results. If you're wanting to learn about AI architecture, make sure you grab my AI cheat sheet for beginners in the link in the description, because it's a super helpful tool to kind of get you started on which tools you should use, as well as some good prompting structures and strategies for beginners so you're not feeling overwhelmed trying to use this for the first time. I hope you guys found this video informative. Thank you guys for watching and welcome to the ground.